I installed the new one. And then I put it on the screen that I have both of my chats on. That's unfortunate. Look at that. You can't see it. Look at that. I have time on 5:56 a.m. Yes. You gotta love the 5:56 a.m. development. Who knows what's gonna happen to the TikTok stream now? Honestly, do I restart it? Am I able to change my stream's like settings? Am I even able to stream again if I stop it? What are all of these other buttons I have? There's so many options. Hmm. What other sources can I do? Hmm. Perfect. I'm putting more shameless UI elements. Alright, how do I change? Alright, now I'm doing I'm not gaming. I cannot swap the category of my stream. I could just end it and start it again. You limited your profile and videos to those aged 18 and older. No, I didn't. Well done. That might explain why those videos have very little views. Is that TikTok limited my entire account and not just the stream. Click in profile to stop watching this video and it isn't working. Hey, I have 1,000 likes. Now I can have 1,000 likes. Content preferences. Nope. My preferences. Audience controls. That's why I haven't limited it. I got lied to. Alright, I might restart the TikTok stream. Now that I'm switching categories because it seems like I cannot leave the gaming category. This live is longer than live streams made by 100% of creators with a similar following. I just made the longest TikTok live for low-end TikTok. That's right. Check this out. Not screen recording. Check that out. Higher than 100% of creators. I am now the #1 TikTok streamer by duration for low-end TikTok. It's also really funny because if you look at the analytics, that stream did atrocious compared to the other one. Let's see. The other stream got 20 viewers in 109 minutes, which is 0.2 viewers per minute, essentially. That one went 274 minutes and had 13 views. 13 over 274 is 0.047 viewers per minute. Yikes. That's okay. We're going to stream again. In the gaming category. Can I not leave the gaming category? Huh? Here we go. This is DIY is looking like the best category. Technically, DIY is the category I'm in for software development, which is wild. A camera source is required to ensure real-time interactions during your live. Required? Should I be putting like tags in my title? Can I put tags in my title? So this is now the weird thing where on TikTok, right? I wasn't allowed to use a camera during my gaming stream. But it seems like now I am required to use a camera. Huh? I'm not allowed to use a camera. What? I'm both required to and unable to use a camera. Huh? So wait, I cannot go live in the DIY category without a camera. But I am also not allowed to use a camera, therefore I cannot stream in the DIY category. I can only stream in the gaming category because it's the only one I can hack a camera into the thing. What do you want from me? How are you supposed to get in here if you can't use it? What's the point? How am I supposed to get started on streaming on TikTok if you won't let me use any of the tools I need to do it? This is the chicken and egg issue that is crazy on TikTok. All right, well, I guess I'll just stream under a different category. Um, sure, it's daily life now. Nope, that's camera source. Learn. That's camera source. Fandom? Camera source. Outdoors. Nope. Food. Literally, I can only play Grand Theft Auto 5. That's all I can do. We'll write others. Sure. This is fine. Everything is fine. It may not work in the slightest, but this does technically get me live. I don't know why they fight me so. Okay, we're live again. It works, kind of. What is this? Holding a reference to an invisible object. All right. We're fine. Everything is fine. Development time. It is that time of day. So, where's my solution explorer? Problem is, my solution explorer is, you know what? We're just gonna close YouTube chat. Sorry, YouTube, but you haven't said anything in 5 hours, so not my fault. It's your fault, YouTube. Okay. So, let's see if we can do. What was I working on before? I can't remember. I was almost done with something. No, I was working on cutting the references to Twitch out of other apps. And I also need to work on the event system for Twitch. It's a little freaky. Just a little freaky. Um hmm. This is not used, so we will delete this. Part of what I want to do is spend a while reducing how much like is going on in here. Like the authentication system for Twitch is needlessly complex. So here is the authentication form, which is it's much. It's a bit much. There's a manual authentication form which does this. I think there's a special form that appears if it's the first time you've done it, which also makes it even more complicated, but I may have already gotten rid of that. But yes, we are hoping to simplify this a bit. We have this, we have the raid finder, which doesn't work because it doesn't actually output the list. I still never finished that. I'll probably eventually do it. Kind of do want to work on the clipping system because it's not really that hard. What I can do even is just like in the OBS subsystem, right? For process message, if we receive a message, just do OBS socket dot clip for replay buffer, save replay buffer. If OBS socket dot replay buffer status string. Oh, okay. So if it's running, start it. It triggers an error if the save replay buffer isn't set in OBS. That isn't what I expected. Okay. We should probably make sure that's set then. Settings. Hotkeys. We have start replay buffer and stop replay buffer. Do we have save replay buffer? What? Save replay. There. We now have one. We'll have another message for stop replay buffer. Okay. I want to make this callback system a little bit easier because right now the callback system, you have to request it directly, which isn't great. How do I want to do creating a message from a callback? I could put it in the constructor that you can choose to do it. Do that. So we need to do get implement interface. This will always return null. It is not in the setup. Public generic message. Nothing public generic message. I generic message callback. Okay. Now we do in OBS. Actually, we want to do in dictionary message. To implement the generic message interface, and we'll do if dictionary contains key callback type, and dictionary that contains key callback namespace I generic message callback equals new generic message callback dictionary dot get or at callback namespace dictionary at callback type. Get rid of the blank constructor. We will return callback or return null. No such callback existed. So there is one system. I think Twitch has a callback system. Yeah, this will do. Instead of all of that, we'll do I generic message callback equals message dot get callback. What kind of LSD trip is this? My favorite type of LSD trip. It's a background which is supposed to be a hue shift, but I don't know what happened, and it isn't. It's just really broken. As are many of the things in my stream. Those 4 years? Wait a minute. They are 4 years. Wait a second. We need to go to the expression editor. They always escape me. Do I even have a way to get rid of the original ears? Do I? Can make them elf ears. But I don't think I can actually get rid of the regular ears. Give me something to 3D print. Print me. Do it. It won't be expensive at all. Well, joke's on you. This is a 2D model. I'm not actually able to get rid of the ears, so we're gonna have to do this the easy way. Which is to say, I'm going to have to make them transparent using multiply. Oh dear. I fixed it. The ears are no longer the wrong color. And by wrong color, I mean existent. I like changed my microphone. It's blocking the tracking. Wait, what? Wait. The 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 video on interesting. So I had moved the window on TikTok, so it was the wrong size the entire time. Interesting. I can't tell if it looks good or not because I can't actually watch my own TikTok stream. It says I can, but they want my camera access first. I'm not giving that. Download my live recording. Oh dear. It's gonna last for a really long time though. I even have the ability to like monitor my live. Join TikTok Amplify. Hmm. I still don't know how I'm supposed to monitor my own live. Why does it keep giving me like content suggestions? Hmm. Wait, can I do it from here? Couldn't watch live on this device because you're live on another device. Yes, that's the problem. I want to watch it. TikTok, why? Why do you do this to me? This has been a TikTok moment. Um, Okay. So I wanted to create an event system for Twitch, and we got halfway there. We got the chat messages should be dispersed as events. So the plan is I want to change model change system to no longer subscribe to channel chat messages. Instead, for these to come through based entirely on process message events. So I'm going to need to open the Twitch system in a split window, which I'll put under the view, so you don't need to worry about having two windows. Okay. I just need to know what set of events I give. So in process message, do I even have a process message? I do not. Okay. Okay. So what we want to do now is see. Let's see. Where is event red? Event is red only on the top here. I want to change this to here. Handle events. Now. I don't know why it's not letting me take that out. Okay. Now the idea is in the process message, I can do string username equals dm dot get value of username string. We want to log received malformed event channel chat message. Username or content was null. Otherwise, we want to handle a command of uname, nope, content, uname. Needs to be passed with the ref. I don't know why, considering command is not read again, so it really doesn't need to be ref. Oh, I need to close Coalescence. That's awkward. It is struggling. Okay. Reset its key. We can now try again. Need to go onto the relay, check Fignon to see if it's asking for permission, which it is. Accepts the changes I made in the model that I forgot about. Okay. And now if we call name change, what I want to do is first check to see. Okay, so this got slightly taller. So I want to call here. Then what I'll do on Twitch is I will send a name change gremlin. This did actually happen. The username is VT. Name change is to gremlin. Does it work though? From a surprise to absolutely somebody, no, it didn't. The reason it didn't work, a dumb reason. What? That's right though. Now what we need to do, find where the solution explorer went. Where did the solution explorer go? Current session not authenticated. I just authenticated it. Oh, it works now. I am become gremlin, destroyer of universes. And I have a keyboard. Why is it not working? And in this episode, we wonder, will I ever have anything work? The answer? No. It works. Okay. We now have an event-based system that we can handle without actually having to have a reference to Twitch itself. Now, we have a lot more power. So I want to do the same thing for the event sub on the channel point redeem. The way I'm going to do that is by calling for new generic or broadcast new dictionary message, which oh, namespace equals Twitch type equals request event sub register request dictionary equals new, a type of channel points custom reward redemption add, also known as too many words. A version of 1 and a condition of a new dictionary of string of broadcaster user ID is it defaulted actually? I'm not sure. It is actually the default condition, so we're not going to specify it. Okay. Oh, I need to specify scopes. Scopes is what are the scopes? Event sub channel point redemption add. So we need channel read redemptions or channel manage redemption. So technically, we only need read redemptions. Okay. Wait. Yeah, no. Same one. Okay. The idea is that now we will subscribe to the event, even if we don't actually explicitly listen for it. Okay. The event channel points custom reward redemption add is a long one, but that's just how it goes sometimes. Now we need to give all of the um all of the requisite information. So the event, so we'll say redemption ID is event.id. That's all I can give. Okay, that should be more than enough information you want. Okay. So now I should be able to register for this event in the process message system. I don't even think I need to I don't even think I need to do anything with that. It's just already done. So now in model change subsystem, I can request a request a subscription to channel chat message. Actually I can't because I don't have the name of the uh or the ID of the user. So I'll have to simply assume that it has been registered. I don't have a way to ask. So we'll hope for the best. Okay. So theoretically this works. Heavy theoretically. Now if I go and make a channel point redeem, oh, actually, that's not going to work. Not going to. Because it uses handle command, which it shouldn't do. As the event sub channel points redeem uses user input, and then it does a direct lookup in the URI. This should maybe work. I don't know. Work here. Try it. Change model ultramarine. I probably have to authenticate with vtuber studio, don't I? No, it just didn't work. Wild. Okay. Nothing. Not sending the event. So this event subscription request then isn't happening. Delete all breakpoints. Come to the Twitch subsystem. I go to process message. I go here. It will go down one to the type. Or we'll go here. It's probably going to be required scope missing because I don't have channel read redemptions. If I had to guess. I have channel manage redemptions, but I don't have channel read redemptions. Why? If I restart it, we'll disable our breakpoints. We'll try again. Nothing. Okay. Okay. So is this not happening then? What? What? It's not running this code at all. The model change subsystem. Hmm. Hmm. I don't actually have a way to log this, do I? Hmm? It's just saying I can't load the type. Okay. We we need to use the inner exception format. The inner exception is going to be doing a lot of heavy lifting here. At controller subsystem line 157, which is for some reason causing Twitch to fail to load. Huh? Right. So chat controller has been unloaded. Problem is it's unloaded but still building. Gonna have to actually deal with it, unfortunately. Honestly, this is fine. It'll stop it from actually doing the thing. And then it should do the thing without blowing up. I disable all the breakpoints. It builds, it runs, connects to VTube Studio. And then I come over here and then I run change model and it just works. Wishful thinking is crazy. Okay. Why not? Is it actually subscribing to the Channel Points Redemption ad? No. Brand. Getting here. And or here. Or here. Get here. Don't get past it though. Wow. If you understand why that sucks. Ferocious code. That is really funny. It's because I'm an idiot. Yes. That's no good. Still not subscribing. Okay, let's pull back to here. What is the type? Type is channel points redemption ad, right? Callback is null. Oh, this is asynchronous. Um, wait for it, or else it might just fail. As things do. It still is not subscribing. Hmm. It failed, but I don't know why. Now, for some reason, it never presents the window. Hmm. Maybe I changed the way that things are initialized. I don't know. My brain hurts too much to do thinking like this. I might call it for today. Been streaming for 6 hours, which is not a short amount of time. Um, and my brain doesn't work. So, going to raid. Uh, Let me close the TikTok stream because that's not. You're not allowed to see the raid. That's how that works. Yeah, TikTok. All right, now that it's only the cool people here, we can raid. Where even is the YouTube chat? Oh, YouTube chat is closed. I forgot. Anybody pop by? We had somebody who popped in for 2 minutes. Nope, they popped in for 21 seconds. Okay, well, anyway, we're going to raid Sugar Googles. Here we go. All right. Where is my chat? I'm like so lost. It's probably the intense like sleep schedule I'm on. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a great day. And I will see you next time.